The
getting based on
sir, it is echo.
right, it is available.
Hello. So the present.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please pardon me. Sri Avinash Avinash Naik, sir, please mute your microphone. Don't unmute during your talk. After the talk, you can free to ask the questions. Dr. Avinash Naik, sir, can you hear me? Please mute your microphone so that it will not interfere in the talk of the Dr. Kirti Ranjan. Please, sir, continue.
Okay. So I thankful to the organizing committee giving me the chance to discuss the COVID-19 and socio-economic impact and various topic the organizing committee is selected to discuss in this platform. I discuss over here the fixed income and what is the impact in the socio-economic that will be present over here. So I'll share my PPT. Sir, it is visible?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Visible.
So my topic is related with the fixed income security and the COVID impact. Is re-evaluating the financial sector. So today's topic basically how it is impact in the income sector, that is particularly in the fixed income sector, the COVID-19, because as you know that the sector, the capital market sector basically affected in this juncture. So I will discuss in this topic, then fixed income security, why, then why the fixed income income investing opportunities, then what is the risks associated, then what is the modern income portfolios, then how the pandemic impact in the fixed income securities. Why I'm choosing this topic now, because in the present scenario, in the present juncture, everybody is very uncertainty in their revenue side. So we also very uncertainty in our investment plan. So we think this discussion is giving the immense platform to the investors as well as we in academic fraternity to know little bit knowledge over these topics. Then why you can go for this fixed income? As you know that the fixed income security, basically it is nothing, it is a debt security, and the income is a fix, that is called an interest on the investment. And we can go for that because we have the post maturity of this securities. We choose this income as a risk averse investment. Most commonly fixed income securities we consider as a bond, and most important part is the retirement or approaching retirement. Fixed income security move to the driver's seat. That means if we invest in this platform, then it will help in our retirement or in our future times, and it will benefit to everyone in the investment in these junctures. Then a steady return, as you know that we can get the return with a low risk as compared to the other investment like equity. The return might be low, but it's guaranteed. So as you know that in the pandemic situation or in COVID-19, the investment on the, you know that the capital market situation is very drastically changes, and it is affected in the every sector of the income. But in fixed income sector, basically giving the low return but in a guaranteed mode. So fixed income securities will be diversified and overall risk to the investment portfolio. So that's why we have to choose the fixed income securities for the investment analysis pattern or investment in the things. Then what is the opportunity in this area in the fixed income investment or in fixed income securities investment pattern? What is the basic opportunities in that area? Now investors invest basically 5 to 10 years in the maturity range. Reinvestment in prevailing the rate when those bonds come due. Then when these bonds mature, it also a natural time to reconsider the state of the economic and adjust portfolio is needed. So there are a lot of opportunities in the field of fixed income when we can go for the investment in that area because it is a reinvestment opportunity. When the bond is mature, then again the chance is reinvestment. Then basically we consider the investment platform where we can get the return in a regular and where we can get our principal money as a secure. So in that area, the investor's objective is to invest to get the regular basis of the return. So basically in India, we consider as a different types of the fixed income instruments such as municipal bond, such as corporate bonds. These are the different instrument which is used as a fixed income securities, that is treasury bill, certificate of the deposit, then preference stocks, banks, bankers acceptance. So these are the instruments which the investor is invest and to get the return as a regular basis with a low return, that means with a low risk, but return is regular. If you consider in the pandemic situation, the in another part of the investment in the fixed income, then we get the regular return or in a minimum return in this if we invest in this platform. So basically, what is the risk involved in this if you invest in the fixed income securities? So by considering the safe and stable investment, as you know that the fixed income securities or fixed income investment is a safe and stable investment, but some of the risks is also associated. Basically the interest rate risks, and as you know that credit risks also, or default risks, and the liquid risks. The interest risks means we all of you know that the risk is associated if the interest rate is fluctuate. But it when the interest rate is fluctuate, if we invest in the fixed income securities in this pandemic period, the rate of the income of the investment is also fluctuate, but that not fluctuate as per the investment in the share market. And it is also the risk is called as credit risk or default risk. That means there may be the chance of the default, or there may be the chance of the credit risk is associated, but this risk is the low risk as compared to the investment in other platform or other security platform. Then another thing is that the liquidity risk. Then we can make a liquidity risk associated in the fixed income securities. Then why you choose go for the modern fixed income portfolio? Now because